Hey there, it's Beatrice Namale. Glad to be here again today. And I can see the surrounding. Like I told you yesterday, today I traveled. I was able to travel over the night, and I was coming to Western, and I was able to get there today morning. We were coming for burial of a nephew of ours, so we were able to arrive here safely, thank God a lot, and we are still here, planning to leave in the evening because it's almost evening here, but we'll be leaving actually overnight again, so that we'll be in Nairobi by tomorrow morning. And the reason of traveling very fast was because I didn't come with my babies. I left them, and you know, as a mother, okay, you cannot be settled knowing that you don't have the kids around with you. So I left them because it was just something came up very fast, and we were not able to organize how to go about with them. So that's why I left them with my house manager. But I'm hoping that I'll be able to get there because actually, hey, I'm suffering where I am. You know, it's not easy to leave your kids and just be comfortable. No, 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 no. And she's a new girl. She's not been there for. Um, she's not yet even 2 weeks at my place, so it's really giving me a hard time. In as much as I'm trying to, it's not easy, but. I'm happy because we finished, we are done with the burial, and now I was just at least trying to relax around and at least just having some time here. You can see I'm seated here outside Kwamawe on a rock here. This place is very rocky. Is it rocky or stony? It's rocky, I mean, because we have so many in our compound here. So there are so many. They are there. You can see that one there. We have another flat one. Then I can see we have, although this season is planting season, and we don't have so much many items, but we have like some guavas. Guavas is what I've been able to eat actually since I came, and I think I've seen some avocados. So you can access them. They're here. This one is I thought I was able to get it, but it's a bit far. But if I jump, I can get to it. So there's some guavas for the lovers of guavas. I think I've eaten some. You can see them. Here on this tree, we have several. We have so many of them. Yeah. This is the we have another rock tree here. It's very rocky. And this is a compound home Gishagi kwenyewe. You can see how it is, very green. Can you compare this with yesterday's where I was yesterday? The Ukambani area, guy. Actually, Western is very green right now. You can see there's not much, but I think you can see what we have. Like you can have these. You just eat them fresh from the trees. Wow. Mm. We have some here. There are so many guavas around. So I can reach this one here. Ooh. Another one here. the water. Was it like here? You can sit down here. It's very rocky. Like, yeah, I was just trying to show around. Have some to doggy here. Do you see this one sleeping here? I can't remember the name for this one. It's not the one I left actually. We have another one here. Hi. Siwezi cheza nayo. Oh, and there are two small ones here. Hello. You are running away. Eh? Oh, these are running away. Hiya. What? Mnataka kuonekana kwa video? Ah. Okay. Here we have our cow. Here is Napier. They're eating. It's a newborn, a new calf. Hello. Unatoroka sijaweka. What? On the too small one. Hello. Those dogs are just cute, so cute. For me, I'm just having fun with the guavas. Yeah, others. Can see I'm getting another one here. Okay, I hope I'll be able to digestion. I hope digestion will take place. I've eaten almost like 3. I want you guys to see here how our shambas looks like. But people grow. and things come out so nice. Actually, they do harvest, but it's very rocky, I tell you. Melda, Melda, ameenda wapi? Anyway, I was calling that my canis to come. I wanted her to help me here. Actually, this is a farm. This is at my hubby's place. So, hey, climbing here is a problem. I don't know how to go up there, but for them they do. Okay, I can choose to stay here. It's a very beautiful scenery. You love the scene of this area. It's very rocky. And today it's just that I don't have much time, but I would have gone to take some pictures from the caves. There are caves around here. Those you can have very nice caves. I don't know if I'll make it up there. I left with slippers, so I'm not sure if I'll be able to climb here. That's the only problem I have. But it's such a nice scene. Oh. See, like here. Oh, me and my guavas, they're giving me the energy to go ahead. And I just eaten actually lunch, but you know the guava stays so fresh. Wow, just have a look at this. Okay, left with slippers. I don't know if I'll be able to, but I'm trying to. This one is already cultivated land. This one is already cultivated, and you can see it's ready. Iko ready kupandwa. It's ready for farming, for planting, because it's planting season actually. So you see some guavas here again, and they're not even that high. We just reach them. This small tree has guavas, all these. Let me get one more. I'm testing for almost every tree. I'm testing almost from every tree. I just want, because they taste differently actually. So I can throw this one away because they're in plenty. So I can have them however I want. Oh guys, home is just nice, so beautiful. The scene here is just so cute. And there are so many, the rocks here are too huge. And people are planting from there. So I just want you to take another, there's a look, if you can see from far, there's another rock all there. You can see people over there. I don't know if you can see them. They are seated over there. Ooh. Hello. I really don't know. Oh, there are no many. I think right now there are few items around. Not so many things are available right now because it's planting season. So like mbogas, you can get them a little bit, but most of them they are not yet there. Like this farm here, it's just been cultivated, but they have not planted yet. That's why you can see it's like that. Uh, hey, will I be able to climb here so that I can take a look? Whoever wanted to take me this video, I don't know where she is. People are still busy, you know. Yeah, it's just after burial, and since I don't have time over here, I decided to utilize the time by at least taking a small video there to show you guys. And for me, I'm just having fun with these guavas actually. It's one time I don't think they'll have any effect on me, so I can eat them however much I want. What can I do? Can I place this here? My goodness, if my knee hits this rock, it's gonna break. So anyway, I can just have time here. Yeah. I was able to climb up here, but I've not gone very far. So I'm still, if you can get, you could get the picture of this place. You see this rock here, it's very huge. Very huge. And there are two corridors here. Which I'm supposed to go through this way. Hey, and I'm not going far. I don't want to get stuck here. You know, I'm not used to this place. In our home, me, I'm from another county, and so it's not this rocky. It's just the lands there are just so smooth, so you don't get this rocky here. So I really find hard time here, and at least here there's some space. There are areas where you get no space at all. If you can see from far away, those are just some stones, very beautiful scenes. Hey. It's very beautiful, very beautiful. I wish I could get up there. What? Mmefikaje huko? Okay, they can't hear me, but there are some people over there. I don't know if you can see them. They're seated very high. Anyway, I can't get there. Let me find my way out. Oh, very beautiful scenes. Ooh. So guys, there's a stone here. And I'm told these stones have history. Let me just get back into the compound. I think I've had enough here. I didn't leave with shoes, so the slippers will give me a hard time going up there because I'm not able to climb up. I don't think I'll be able to come back with my nails if I go up there. So, rather than risking, I better just go back. But oh, this place is just beautiful. Actually, here is in Kakamega. Not, oh, I'm confusing. This is Vihiga County. This is Vihiga County. Vihiga County. Yeah. What's the exact name of this place? Kerongo area. Right. So I'm going down. Since I didn't leave with shoes, I was just having my slippers because I was just having some rest back there. So I decided to just have and they use these stones to like dry their maize, their cereals. When they're dry, there's another one over there. I don't know if from far away. It has a name. Is it what is the name for that? They use that for drying the grains. Grains. Oh, my kids are really missing out on this. But I'm planning soon. We'll come visit. And they're going to enjoy to the fullest. Oh, thank you guys. Take care. I love you. Remember to subscribe to my channel. I'll bring you a video of this. At least trying to. I'll find something to bring out, share soon. If I visit, it's a nice place to explore. Beatrice Namale, subscribe. Remember to subscribe, like, share. And you can share this place. Actually, it's a nice one. You can come over here to explore. It's a very nice place, I tell you. This is just the smallest part of it. I've not even gone like few miles, so you can imagine if I was to go around. Nafaa kushuka hapa. I'm supposed to go there. I'm not able to. I have to sit down and or I climb this rock here. Yeah. It's a very nice place, as you can see. How? Vihiga County. Oh, anyway. Thank you guys. Stay tuned in. I'll be bringing you more. I'm trying to go down. Yeah, before this goes off, hope I'll be able to have gotten back. Like here now, they have not cultivated. You see the difference. And I don't know how they do. They do it the jump or what, but it's very rocky. It's not an easy thing to do, but for them, they are used to. Yeah, and all here they are just guavas. Avocados. I'm told there are avocados, and I've gone to bring me some. My guavas too. Oh, I like the nature. Actually, nature is just the best. By the way, can you compare this with the Ukambani where I was yesterday? Hey, totally different. Totally different. Like Western, it's very green. And in Ukambani, at this juncture, the way I saw, wow, you can't even get. Just like the guavas are just there. Like, see this one. Upper too. Here, imagine, and the tree is very small trees producing guavas. You see? But for me, I don't like this. This one is too ripe. I don't like the yellow ones. I love eating the green ones. Maybe if my boys were here, they're the ones who would have eaten this because of their teeth. They don't eat. The green ones are not so okay for them. Anyway, they're okay, but as for them, because of their teeth. See that one there. Wow. Hey, So many guavas here. Yani, hey, that's what I've enjoyed actually since I came in the morning. Look at these ones. Yani, you can just have them with you. Wow. Now which one do I take? I've eaten almost from all trees and I keep getting them. Some guavas here. Okay, let me pick one. Wish I could carry them to Nairobi. Ama kuna ule anataka niwalete. Wow. Thank you guys. See you later. I love you. Take care as I eat my guava. Ah. Listen, but they don't wash them. They are direct from the trees, so they are not dirty. Fresh from the trees. That's how we eat them. That's how sweet they are. Thank you guys. We'll see you later.